You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two email app platforms, which is Superhuman and Shortwave. Just quickly dive into it. So talking about Superhuman is built for speed and focus, offering a lightning fast shortcut and a rate receipt, and a clean minimal interface that helps professionals fly through their inbox. It's perfect for users who value performance and a distraction-free experience. Shortwave, on the other hand, adds an AI-powered to Gmail with automatic summaries, smart categorization, and a team collaboration. While Superhuman wins on polish and precision, Shortwave shines with automation and flexibility. So, if you want speed and style, choose Superhuman. For smarter inbox management, Shortwave task takes the lead. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.